Most men fear the dark. Nikola Tesla feared the light. Since childhood, blinding flashes would tear through his mind, revealing machines that didn't exist yet. He didn't invent them, he witnessed them vibrating in the air before his eyes. He wasn't just a scientist, he was a man who was haunted by the future. 1884, he stepped off a ship into the rotting streets of New York. With nothing but 4 cents and a brain heavy with lightning. He had no money, no home, just a letter of recommendation to the most powerful man of America, Thomas Edison. Edison was a king, Tesla was a ghost. When Tesla fixed Edison's failing empire, he was promised $50,000. But when he went to collect, Edison only laughed and said, "Tesla, you don't understand our American humor." That laugh didn't just steal his money, it stole his respect for humanity. He quit that day, walking into a storm with $0 and a vow of vengeance. The man who could map the soul of the universe was forced to dig ditches for $2 a day just to buy a piece of bread. He spent a year in the mud shoveling dirt for the very company that betrayed him. But while his hands were in the filth, his mind was in the clouds, building a monster called alternating current. Edison was terrified. He started a war of shadows. He electrocuted animals in the public, trying to convince the world that Tesla's current was a killer. He wanted a monopoly on the light. But you cannot tax the lightning, and you certainly cannot stop a man who has nothing left to lose. 1983, the World's Fair. Tesla stood on a stage and let 200,000 volts surge through his heart. He didn't burn, he glowed. In that single second, that night died forever. He didn't just win a war, he gave the world the stars. He died alone in a hotel room, penniless, feeding pigeons while the world forgot his name. Edison got the fame, Tesla got the truth. But look at the city skyline today. Every hum in the wires, every glow on your screen, every spark in the grids is his ghost. The present belongs to the salesman, but the future belongs to the madman. Thanks for watching. If you like the content, you can subscribe or hit the follow button for more such contents.